Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're old, then welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful look, and this is just a simple twist and crochet in the middle. So I'm going to show you how I do it, so stay tuned. So I started by dividing my hair round from the perimeter, and this is the part that is going to be the single twist. Then I'm just going to weave the whole back. So this is what the hair is looking like after I'm done weaving it. So what I did is just to crochet in the ends of the weave so that it's not going to show, and this is what it's looking like. Next, I just took a single strand of the twist that I'm supposed to be using. I got this hair off from Amazon. I've used it before, and this is the second time I'm actually using it. So what I'm going to do next is just to untwist it, and this is the part I'm going to be using for the single twists in the front and around the perimeter. So this is what it's looking like after I finish untwisting it. So I'm going to keep this aside and untwist all the one I'm going to be using for the single plaits, and I'll come back. So I'm back, and this is what it's looking like. So next I want to do is just to twist it to my hair. So I pattern the part I want to use, and I just twisting it like this. Sorry, my hands are covering the way, so you can't actually see what I did there, but I'm going to show you another one how I did it later on. So I'm just going to twist it down, and that's it. So this is what the first twist is looking like. So the key to this is a protective styling, so you don't need to do it too tight so that you don't have pains or feel any ache, and just to twist your hair down. So I'm going to go ahead and complete twisting the other part of my hair, and I will come back to show you what it's looking like. So for the final twist in the front, this is what it's looking like. So I grab one end of my hair, take it to the other side of the twist, then just twist it like this. Then I twist the other side at the opposite direction, roll it, then take it over, roll and take it over, then roll, then take it over. It's actually simpler than it looks, and it's not difficult to do at all. So this is the front side done. So I'm going to go ahead and do the back side off camera, and I will come and show you the crochet part. So for the crochet part, you take the crochet needle and pass it under one of the weaves like this. Then you hook the loop of the twist, pass it to the hook, close the lash and pass it over, then pass the twist over. It's just very simple. It's self-explanatory, so just watch me as I do it. Don't mind the face, guys. I have a very tender scalp, so my head is so tender that I feel pain in everything I'm doing, even when I'm the one doing it myself. So once more, you look it at the pin, close the lash, pass it over, then pass the other parts through the loop, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish crocheting all of my hair, and I will come back to show you what I've done and how it's looking like. So guys, I'm done with crocheting, and this is what the hair is looking like. I just went ahead to pack the hair back. This is the front view and this is the back view. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so that I get notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.